up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? I'm Andrea Phoenix. Hit that subscribe button down below to get more nursing videos, more keto videos, more hair tutorial videos, all of it. Have you guys? Today is going to be a keto video specifically for CRAFTBELLY ice cream. I have never tried this ice cream before, so this is going to be a super honest review. I'm gonna taste it for the first time with you guys and really just dig into like the ice cream and see how it tastes, see how it goes down, and we're gonna go over the calories, everything. So stay tuned because we're going to do an honest review of CRAFTBELLY ice cream. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I was literally gifted a ton of ice cream from CRAFTBELLY, and I legitimately cannot wait to try this ice cream. So, without further ado, this is a keto ice cream. Let's get into it. First, we have Francinium chocolate. And this is one serving size. It is 180 calories, total of 14 grams of fat, about 22 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of allulose with 5 grams of protein. All right. So we are gonna try this one. This is chocolate. Now, I'm normally not a really big fan of chocolate ice cream, but for this case, we'll try it out. You never know how good it is. Oops. Oh, look how cute. It comes with a little spoon in the top. Break that out. Smells really, really good. Obviously, definitely like chocolate, so let's try it out. I didn't let him sit out for very long or anything like that. I just took him out of the freezer and yeah. Let's get a nice big scoop. This is not bad actually. I don't like chocolate ice cream, but this I would eat. This was really good. All right, next one. Next one we have is vanilla. It's really funny. They have these cute like anime characters on everything that they have. I don't fully connect with the whole anime thing. Really, Cookie, right now? She's biting on her house, excuse her. It doesn't really resonate with me with the whole anime, type of animal characters and everything. Even on their website, it doesn't like really stick, but I love ice cream, and so I'm so down for the whole keto thing. You might as well have keto ice cream too. This one is the vanilla. This one is 160 calories with 13 grams of fat total. 19 carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of allulose with 4 grams of protein. So this one is a little bit better. It has 3 net carbs. The chocolate one has 4 net carbs. So let's try this one. And again, comes with a little spoon inside. This one smells good too. It's not like super vanilla-y, but it smells like vanilla ice cream to me. All right, let's try this one out. Nice big scoop. That one's good too. It has like vanilla bean in it, and I don't know if I can get the picture, but let's try. There's like the little black dots in here from like the vanilla bean, And I love that when that's an ice cream, because then you kind of know that they really actually use like a real vanilla plant or vanilla bean instead of just a vanilla extract or something. This one I could definitely see eating with like a keto cookie or keto brownies or something. I like this. Vanilla is definitely on point. I like the vanilla a lot. One second, somebody wants to make a guest appearance. She keeps licking my ankles. Say hi, Cookie. Hi, guys. This is my bunny. Her name is Cookie. She's just a big old fluff ball. Look at her. So big. This is my bunny. My own mascot right here. Hi, guys. All right, last but not least, we have KETOGENIC coffee. This one is 3 grams right there. 3 net grams of carbs. And again, this one is 160 calories, 13 grams of fat total, 19 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, 12 grams of allulose, and 4 grams of protein. And I really like this color. I'm such a fan of green. If you guys don't already know, I love, love, love green stuff. Okay, and this one is basically coffee. Again, I'm not a big, huge fan of coffee ice cream, but it smells pretty freaking good. All right, I like that even right out of the freezer, it's like, you know, you can stick the spoon right in it. It's not like rock solid or rock hard. I really do like that about ice cream because I let mine sit out anyway to get a little bit smoother. So let's try this one. Let's see if I can get it. They really do bring out the coffee flavor in this one. It's not too overbearing or anything like that. It's very good, goes down very creamy and smooth. And you get a very nice hint of coffee. You can definitely tell that it's coffee. And I actually would probably eat this one. Sorry, this one's really good. Okay, I gotta stop. I would totally eat this, and I love that it's just one little serving size. You don't have to feel bad about eating ice cream anymore, especially coffee flavor and the vanilla and chocolate. So these are the 3 flavors, guys. Vanilla, Francinium chocolate, KETOGENIC coffee. Oh, and I would say yes to all 3 of them. I definitely like them. So go check out CRAFTBELLY ice cream. They are such a good deal, and they taste great for being keto ice cream. I mean, I really hope somebody comes up with like matcha ice cream, because I would absolutely love that. Matcha green tea ice cream is my favorite ice cream. Yeah, I just love it. And so seriously, guys, go to CRAFTBELLY. I don't have a CRAFTBELLY. There you go. Go to CRAFTBELLY Delights and pick yourself up some ice cream. You won't regret it, and you'll definitely like it. Like, to be 100% honest, I did not get paid for this. I did not get anything. I got ice cream in the mail, and I'm doing an honest review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I see you guys in my next videos. I do nursing videos, keto videos, curly hair videos, skincare videos. Just forgive me, because I've been wearing a mask all day long at work, and then all day everywhere else is really breaking out this area. Not a good look. But I'm so glad you guys joined me. I hope to see you again. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.